After the conclaves, it is known that Cardinal Siri was approached on at least 2 occasions and asked whether he was elected pope. The first instance took place on May 18, 1985, when French Catholic writer Louis Hubert Remy, along with 2 associates, met with Cardinal Siri for a 2-hour conversation. Remy recounts the meeting in an article. Of concern to us, as arranged the evening before, was to speak, first of all, about rumors that Cardinal Tisserant had left the conclave. When we recalled this fact, the reaction of Cardinal Siri was clear, precise, firm, and unquestionable. No, no one left the conclave, responded Cardinal Siri. Some moments later, when we asked him whether he had been elected pope, his reaction was completely different. He started by remaining silent for a long time, then raised his eyes to heaven with an appearance of suffering and pain, and weighing each word with gravity said, "I am bound by the secret." Then, after a long silence, he said again, "I am bound by the secret. This secret is horrible. I would have books to write about the different conclaves. Very serious things have taken place, but I can say nothing." What is important to note here is that Cardinal Siri responded very directly to the first question about the conclave. Then, when asked if he was elected pope, responds, "I am bound by the secret." But why not just respond, "No, I was never elected pope"? Surely, if he was not elected pope, there would be no harm in stating so. The second meeting that we know of took place on June 13, 1988. A Vietnamese priest named Father Cote traveled to Genoa to visit Cardinal Siri on behalf of a group of Catholics from Texas, with the intention of asking him if he was elected pope. After locating Cardinal Siri, Father Cote asked him if he had been elected pope. Cardinal Siri said no at least twice. Then Father Cote added some pressure, telling Siri that if he had done his job, his family would not have been killed by the communists. At this point, Siri became stricken, and Father Cote asked him more explicitly, "You are the pope, not the recognized pope, but the lawful pope," to which Siri responded, "You already know it." This answer will call to mind the words of Christ when asked by Pilate if he was the king of the Jews, to which Christ responded, "Thou sayest it."